Okay, so voice control works. I just didn't know what the verbal commands were. I shot a little video earlier, max settings. The playback was fine on the GoPro itself, but when I got home and tried to put it on the computer, my ancient 10-year-old computer was choking on the video playback part. Online they recommended dropping some settings and stuff, even though I'm sure everything recorded well. You know, it certainly looked great on the GoPro. But not having enough computing and processing power to look at, edit the videos, largely makes it, you know, worthless to me. Just from the standpoint that, you know, I'm not gonna put raw video up on the YouTube or whatever. So here's some lower settings, 4K, 24 frames, 8-bit. I left some wide angle and motion blur. I'm sure it's still going to look nice. Maybe if and when I get a newer computer, I'll crank it back up. I guess it would be nice in YouTube's, well, it didn't come with any instructions, but it'd be nice if it was kind of like a video game that says for these settings you need this much computer, like a video game does. Anyway, damn, it's hot out. I think it's 105 out. So I'm just cruising around the neighborhood a little bit. Just want to check out the new settings. See if how those work out for me. I mean, I can turn things even lower. So just a quick cruise around the neighborhood. Tomorrow I need to stop and get gas. Yeah, 66 miles to empty. Got that last bar in the graph. I don't know if it's interesting or not, but when you do the range setting, distance to empty, it'll go down to 20 miles remaining, and then it goes away. So I guess, I don't know if that's going to be useful for anybody or not. But yeah, if you're cruising around on this, I don't know if it's based on miles, you know, per gallon that you've been getting. or if it's kind of the same for all the Ninja 500s. I mean, I can only speak to what my personal vehicle does. Anyway, we'll try that video voice command stuff and see how this video goes. Maybe I'll upload it, maybe not. It's just a few minutes. Anyway, GoPro, stop recording.